fast forward about 1 week. Kevin is on his way back down here. He ended up ordering the rear brake pad sensor, the wear sensor from BMW directly and picked it up locally. It did cost him a little bit more, but I did pull up the part on ECS Tuning's website just to show you what the price looks like from there, if you want to save a couple bucks. So this is ECS Tuning's website. The price from ECS Tuning is $21.66 before shipping. So the manufacturer part number is right there. This is a genuine BMW part. So the reinstall for this particular part should be pretty easy to do. We just need to jack the car back up, take the wheel back off, and remove the sensor, plug the new one in, and we should be ready to rock. Alright, so we're back here in the garage. Kevin's here. We just pulled the wheel off. Car's up in the air. Last time I zip tied the wear sensor to the whatever that thing is. Oh, that's your what do you call it? Fuel. So we're gonna cut that zip tie off and free that, and then what we're gonna do is remove all of these 8mm screws. There's 3 or 4 of them here and then a couple underneath, and then we'll pull the wheel well back and then unplug the sensor. Here's the new one. Alright, so we removed 5 of these 8mm screws. 3 of them right here on the wheel well, and then 2 on the underside. See one there and there. And that should give us enough room to pull this back and free up some space here so we can get our hands in. Just to give us a little bit more space, we're going to also remove this 10mm bolt there. And there's also one here. So we're going to take those off, and then that should give us a little bit more clearance to get behind the wheel well. This is behind the wheel well. What we're going to do is remove the white plug right there on the left. Just need to unplug it and pull it off the little holders. If you follow the wire down, there's a clip that holds the wire in place. There's one there, and then there's one a little bit further down. So to remove this plug, there's a small clip right here at the end that you need to push in. When you push in, you pull this end out, and that's how that comes apart. And then from there, you can follow the wire and take it off those clips. Alright, so this is the new one. On the inside, there's a couple little prongs inside of there that match up with the piece that's on the inside. Alright, so after plugging that in, we rerouted the wire back into those little areas where it needs to go. As you can see, follow this wire in here. And you'll have to get underneath to the caliper. So here we've got the caliper. So this piece compression fits into this slot right there. Then we're done.